Viewers, welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I am going to unbox AirPods Pro. It's a copy but first grade, I think. Decent Trade International genuine product. Keep this sticker unbroken. Okay. AirPods Pro. Second generation AirPods Pro second generation, designed by Apple in California, made in Dubai. Okay, this is Dubai copy. AirPods Pro second generation with MagSafe charging case. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Viewers, this is the AirPod. Designed by Apple in California. This is the user manual. Okay, user manual. Nice holding cable. This is the AirPod. Charging cable. USB-C. The extra buds. Okay, ear pins 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, see the indicator. Okay, left, right, designed by Apple in California, assembled in Dubai. Okay, white color. I will show you while charging. Okay, let's see the AirPod. Left and right. Okay, I am wearing it. It's really nice and fit in the ear very well, and I think it's something like soundproof, feeling like I'm not hearing the outside noises. It's really good, and the sound quality is also good, I think. Okay, you will like it. It's really nice. Okay, this is the box I am showing you while charging. Okay, I'm going to charge it. Let's charge it. See, it's charging. Red light is blinking. Not blinking, just it's charging. It is showing red. Okay, I have removed the charger. Hope it will be okay. I will give you another review after using 6 or 7 days. It's really small in size, that's why you can easily put it in your pocket and carry everywhere. And these are really nice AirPod. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.